Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. Today was not an easy day for me. I traded three tickers. The first one was MU. In the pre-market, it started to sell off, and then at the open, it popped up and rejected these moving averages. On the way down, I went short. I put my stop loss just above VWAP, and I started covering down here towards it. This is low of pre-market and previous day close. I had a really good entry here. I thought for sure if it was going to be a short, I was going to be able to sit through a pullback. And as you can see, it popped up just enough to stop me out at break even and missed this move to the downside, which is a little bit unfortunate. The second ticker I traded was Snap. I traded Snap 3 times. The first two trades was a little bit of a mess. It started to hang out down here below VWAP. Every time it popped up through VWAP, it sold back off. So I went short here. There's actually a moving average down here on a 1-minute chart, and here's a moving average here on a 5-minute chart. I went short here with a goal just to hit this moving average. And then when it dropped and didn't get the follow through, I stopped myself out here at break even. And then I flipped my position to a long position. I flipped my position to a long position just because of this. It tried to break down and didn't have follow through, and then it got bought back up really fast. And usually when that happens, it usually likes to go to the other side. So I went long, and then I did end up getting stopped out here. This was my original plan to hit this moving average. And then my third trade ended up working out pretty well. So it rejected this moving average down here on a 1-minute chart and on a 5-minute chart. So when it came back up, I went long. I put my stop loss just below these candles here. On this candle here, it worried me a little bit. I was really close to stopping myself out. I'm glad I didn't. And then I started selling up here towards high of day, and I got out with the rest of my position here. The third ticker I traded was AMD. I traded AMD twice, and it ended up working out pretty well. So it held this level down here for 15 minutes, and then when it popped up through VWAP, I went long. I put my stop loss down in this area down here. It did pop up, but it didn't really get the follow through that I was hoping for. So on this candle here, it worried me, so I thought it was going to drop. So I stopped myself out here just above break even. After I stopped myself out, it started to come back up, and huge ass started to come in here all the way down. So I went long heavy here, and I started selling up here towards this daily level that we had up here. And then I got out with the rest of my position here just above break even. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.